Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using the platform. ONErpm is a digital distribution platform and music solutions provider designed to empower independent artists and labels. They offer a wide range of services, going beyond just getting your music onto popular streaming services like Spotify and Apple Music. ONErpm provides tools and resources to help artists grow their careers, including marketing and analytics support. Their comprehensive approach aims to give musicians more control over their music and its promotion, assisting them in navigating the complexities of the modern music industry. They offer various pricing tiers, including a free option, allowing artists at different stages of their careers to find a suitable plan. This flexible approach to pricing makes ONErpm accessible to a broader range of musicians, from those just starting out to more established independent artists. ONErpm differentiates itself through its focus on artist empowerment, providing a combination of distribution and promotional tools within a single platform. Their goal is to be more than just a distributor, acting as a partner in an artist's growth and development. They strive to help artists build a sustainable career by providing them with the necessary resources and insights. This holistic approach makes ONErpm a compelling option for independent musicians looking to expand their reach and gain more control over their music's journey. Through targeted advertising and data-driven insights, they help artists identify and connect with their target audiences more effectively. ONErpm also provides valuable educational resources, empowering artists with the knowledge they need to succeed in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Ultimately, ONErpm offers a comprehensive suite of tools and services designed to streamline the process of music distribution and promotion, giving independent artists a powerful platform to reach a global audience. This consolidated approach can save artists time and effort, allowing them to focus on their creative process while ONErpm handles the logistical and promotional aspects of their music careers.